Today's January 4th, 2019, and this is episode 34 of PlaneSavers. Good morning, everybody. It is 40 below here this fine Monday morning in Yellowknife. The sun's out. As you can see, I'm squinting. There's an ATR 72 behind me enhancing the audio. Today is a big catch-up day. Not ketchup the sauce, but ketchup. I literally have hundreds of PlaneSaver messages, and I got to do some catch up. I got some stories I got to catch up on. So today, Monday, catch up episode. It's going to be busy. Hope you guys like today. Hope you guys like the Electra. The DC-3 and C-46 are already out flying. Electra's going out here pretty soon. I'm losing my voice. 40 below, folks, and we'll see you inside, and let's get this episode started. Let's go check out our buddies, Peterborough, Ontario, Night Freight.
So yeah, this is the end of day 5. It's actually gone really mild. It's been hovering just above freezing, about 3 degrees. So we're still in the same type of clothing that we've been in all week to keep us warm, but today we are really sweating in this stuff. Yeah, it's been kind of one heck of a journey, really, an experience and a half to experience such temperatures as we have this week. But it's been great. It's been a pleasure to work on this aircraft. So it's just gone 4 o'clock in the afternoon. 99% complete of loading the container. It's gone really well, actually. I was fearing the worst, considering all the items that we had outside under the wing of the aircraft. But Tom's done a really great job today of we've been tidying up inside the aircraft. Since the cargo floor was removed, we've replaced it all with heavy-duty sheets of plywood. The aircraft has been a joy to work on, really. She is in a really good condition. It's unfortunate that we've done what we've done, making it into a parts bird. However, you know, this aircraft had been on the ground, unloved, really, for 14 odd years, and even though, you know, the price of how much it did cost to purchase for Charlie and his father was an amount that suited them, it would have needed, you know, close to another 250,000 to get this aircraft in a airworthy condition. So, and not many people have that money, nor the time, or the resources to do these things. So unfortunately, a parts bird she has become. However, that doesn't mean that we've been vicious to her. We've been sympathetic to how we've removed every piece of component throughout the aircraft. With unfastened fasteners and screws. We haven't kind of cut fuselage and ribs and frames just to get items removed. If items have been tricky to remove, we've gone above and beyond to kind of drill the heads off fasteners, ensuring that we don't damage anything underneath. And that's a credit to all of us, really, for doing that, because we love the C-47. So the next time you see the components that we've taken off will probably be in Coventry in around 3 to 4 weeks' time. There won't be many video blogs, daily video blogs anyway, while the boys crack on with the aircraft. Our deadline is fast approaching. But keep following us on our Facebook page, the Night Freight C-47 Restoration Project, and also the website www.nightfreight.com. We'll keep updating it, and I think we may have a spiffing new website very, very soon. I'd like to thank Jason Holloway. Charlie's just notified me that Jason has donated £40 to Rich, myself, and Tom to buy ourselves a coffee to keep us warm. Where we're going tonight, there won't be any coffee, but cheers, Jason.
So I want to take this time to thank the Night Freight crew for allowing me to share their stories on PlaneSavers. It's awesome, and I want to give a huge thank you to all the PlaneSaver viewers that came and donated their time to help out the Night Freight crew. Just amazing what we can do as a community. Very, very cool. On a second part, I just really want to thank the Night Freight crew for doing their best to save that aircraft, the parts bird. Like Neil said, they took their time, drilled everything all properly. They did take a lot of parts, but the core airframe is still good. I know it'll be coming up for sale soon. Hopefully, someone that can, maybe buy it would be like Basler or something that could use that airframe, or who knows, maybe even Buffalo will buy it. We don't know. But I'm happy that aircraft, even though was a parts bird, is now being, saved in a way because it hasn't been destroyed. So huge tip of the hat to the Night Freight crew. Hoping to see more vlogs. I know how hard it is to do daily vlogs, but yeah, you guys do some amazing stuff and we'll be following along. So make sure to check out www.night-freight.com for all stuff regarding that airplane. So now, okay, another thing I want to tackle right now, I got video of the person who won the Car Savers title here on eBay. Huge thank you to that. And the gentleman sent me a video, so I'd like to introduce to you Serge. And let's join him now in the Cayman Islands.
Hi Mikey and everyone at Buffalo Airways. Well, my name is Serge and I'm the successful bidder on your latest auction. I was raised in Schefferville, north of Quebec, and the DC-3 is very close to my heart, as it is for many other children of the North. That is why I enjoy your show so much, and I'm pleased I have contributed a little bit to your project. This is a beautiful project. By the way, it's 28 degrees Celsius here, which is about 84 Fahrenheit. I wish you and all the people involved the best. Cheers from the Cayman Islands.
Okay, Serge, look, I made you a custom PlaneSavers box replica of our title card. And here, this is some extra stuff I'm throwing in. DC-3 keychain, IQM model, mobile wallet, postcards, small t-shirt for your wife, XL PlaneSavers shirt for you, and of course, this is going to be in here, and a buffalo bag to top it off. Well, Serge, here you go. Hopefully it finds you well. Please send me a picture when you get it. Stay warm down there. I hear it's pretty cold in the Cayman Islands. Was it plus 30? Ooh, that's terrible. Anyway, next eBay item will be coming up soon. Hopefully you guys keep an eye out on that. And let's go see another episode from Olivia. So PlaneSavers, Olivia, send us an episode. Let's go to that now.
PlaneSavers, episode 2, Olivia. We're going to be taxiing this around. It's called an icon. An airplane on water. We were digging in the box, and I'm so excited to show you what I found. The elevators and the rudder. And I found some flaps. The wing with the boxes. These are our plans. That's the tail plans, the wing plans, and the nose plans, and the tails plans some more. Pulling these pieces till they're flat. I'm gonna be holding in these cracks. I'm standing on the airplane. Daddy, can you hold this for me? Here is the rudder and the elevator. My daddy had to use a hot iron to put the fabric on, so I couldn't do it. We patched up this hole right here. We have hole patches. You can barely see them except for those. Those are the only hole patches. And some over there and some here. You can barely see them because of how good the airplane looks. Thank you for watching my episode of PlaneSavers. Bye-bye. PlaneSavers, bye-bye.
Isn't that the most cutest thing you ever seen? Olivia and her little sister getting a DC-3 flying. I can't wait to see that thing fly. It looks awesome. It's big. That's a big model. But let's jump back in our DeLoreans. Let's go back to Saturday when I did an actual interview with a special guest here at the Buffalo hangar. Let's go back in time right now and check that out. Hey everybody, it's Saturday. You're probably watching this in the future, maybe on Monday or Tuesday. So it's Saturday. I just finished editing episode 32. I'm going to head home and I'm going to be doing the live premiere so I can chat with people watching the show. But the reason we've come back in time is I am waiting here. I'm just in the office here. I'm patiently waiting for a special guest. And as soon as he comes in, I'll introduce you. And I'm excited. And this is kind of my first, I think, real PlaneSavers interview that wasn't someone I was related with. So, yeah, pretty cool.
So I'm Master Corporal William Charmin. I'm with the Royal Highland Fusiliers of Canada in Kitchener, Ontario, and I'm up here with the Army doing my Arctic Operations Advisor course. Yeah, so my father, Chris Charmin, was in the Army during the 80s, during the Cold War, and he started watching PlaneSavers, and as soon as he realized that I was going to be up in Yellowknife, he sent an email off and messaged me a couple of days ago saying, come down and see everybody. So,
well, so here's a chance to say hi to your dad.
Yeah. Hey. Yeah, so I'm 5th generation Canadian Army. My family history goes all the way back to the Boer War, and specifically, my grandfather actually jumped during D-Day in World War II with the 1st Canadian Parachute Battalion. It's Sergeant William Charmin, actually. It's kind of a family name.
So Chris Charming sent me a picture of his father here in World War II, and I was thinking, can you guys pick out which one he is? And I did a little bit of colorization here to help you out. There he is. The smile gives it away, as Chris said. And I had one more question for Will. I asked him how important it is to remember what happened back then.
I think just keep the history alive. It's something that's kind of slowly fading away, especially with the younger generations. So it's definitely something that's nice to see.
Well, thanks for joining us here, Will. Thank you. Thanks for coming all in. It's very honor. I don't think I've met anybody whose grandfather actually jumped in D-Day, so it's an honor to meet you. Thanks for coming in, and enjoy the nice weather.
Yeah, thanks.
We'll see you soon. Cheers. So I hope you guys liked that DC3 coming in. I hope you liked the episode. It was very fun to make today's. It was a catch-up day. We got the last daily from Night Fright. We got an update from Olivia. Serge is getting that awesome eBay purchase. We did the awesome interview with the Will, whose grandfather jumped in D-Day, and we even got some even more surprises for you tomorrow. I can't believe I did that all in one take. Thank you guys for joining us. We'll see you very soon in the next episode.